Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fruit catching app in Scratch. So this is our app. When you click on the flag, the apples start falling from the tree, and when you click on the right arrow, the bowl moves to the right, and when you click on the left, the bowl moves to the left side. So when the apples are falling, we must catch the apples, and the apples will play a sound. Will play a sound called collect, and we'll get the score like 1, 2, 3, and etc. So let's start. So when you click on the flag, and just clicking on the flag, you can just see the apples will catch it. Yes, I'm catching the app. Yes, yay. Yes. Yes. Yep. So, how to make this app? You need to go to Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, and open Scratch Imagine Program Share Mid Edu. And you should go to the create button. You can just see the create button. Click on it, and the first you will see a blue page, and wait for 3 seconds, and you will see a white page with code blocks and all. You will see a code blocks and all. So this is our app. So we don't need the sprite. We need a backdrop and 2 sprites. Okay. So we don't need the cat sprite. Now in this case we don't need it, so I'm deleting it, and I'm going to add a sprite. The first sprite I'm going to add is a bowl. Where is the bowl? I'll just search it. Bowl. B-O-W-L. Yep, I just got that. Now we need one more sprite. That is the apple. So I'm adding apple. You can see. I'll just click there, and you will see the apple. Now we need a backdrop. Right? So I'm just in this case, because in this case I am adding the trees, because the users will think that the apple is falling from the tree. Okay. The first we need to code for the bowl, right? Because when you click on the right, the bowl must move to the right, and when you click on the left arrow, the bowl must move to the left. So I'm the first line of code. We need to go to events, when flag clicked. I'm adding when flag clicked. I'm going to controls, and I am adding forever. Yep, I'm adding the forever, and we need to add if. We need to add 2 ifs. Yeah. And I'm going to sensing, and I'm right arrow press. I'm changing to right arrow, and we need to again drag the key pressed, and I'm changing into left arrow. Yep. Now we need to motion. Go to motion, change X by 10. We need to set it like that. Change X by 10. I'm just adding it to there. Yeah. And we need to add the change Y by 10. And I'm setting it to -10. Okay. So let's test it. Okay. I'm testing it. So I think if it works, but I think that I think it will work. Oh no, it's not working, because when we click on the left arrow, the bowl is moving to the downside. Oh, I just made a mistake. We don't need the change Y by 10, because the Y means the Y axis, that is up and down. So we don't need the Y. In this case, I'm taking the change X by -10 itself, because I think that is good, because the bowl needs to go to the opposite side, right? So I'm going to motion, I'm just going to motion. Where's the motion? Yep. I'm going to the motion and I'm going to the motion. Where's the change x by? Where's the change? X by. Yep. I think it is. I think we need to just make the bowl catch the apple, right? So I'm going to motion. We don't need this change by. I'm just deleting it, and I'm going to motion and change x by itself. The same thing that we give to the right arrow. Change y by, and in this block I'm adding -10. Okay, -10. I'm adding -10. Let me just change to -10. Yep, I changed it. Now let's try it out. Yes, the bowl is working fine, very good. I think it's super good. Yep, our app is working, and now we need to do the coding for the apple, right? So the apple must when the apple touches the bowl, there must be a sound and the score must change. Okay, it's like 1 2 3 4 etc. So at first I'm just giving when flag clicked, I'm making a variable. I'm just making a variable called score, right? I'm just making a variable for score because when the apple touches the bowl, there must be a variable called score, so that that score can change to 1 2 3 4 extra. So making a score like SCORE, and you need to choose for all sprites and click on the OK button. Yep. Okay. And you will see the score button. Now we need to set score to 0. We need to set my variable to 0 and change it to score. I'm changing it to score, and we need to go to controls. And we need to add forever. Okay, and we need to drag the if, and we need to go to sensing and touching bowl. You just change to bowl. Then change score by 1. So I'm going to my variables. I'm just going to variables. Change my variable to 0 to 1. Change my variable by 1 and changing to score. Yep. Now we'll go to motion. Then we'll just go to motion, and we'll just or we will add a sound like something like collect. So I'm adding a sound called collect. I'll just search the collect option, the collect sound, right? So I'm searching the collect. Where is the collect? Yep, I got it. So we'll just take that sound, and we'll go to code and start sound collect. We'll just add the start sound collect. Now we'll go to motion. We'll just go to motion because we'll just go to motion and add go to random position, because the apple must go to the random position and fall. Okay, so I'm going to add the go to random positions, and I'm again adding the set y to -55. Okay, -55. Now let's add this block of code. Block of code there, and we need to go to events again, and we'll just choose when flag clicked. Okay, I'm adding when flag clicked and going to forever. I'm going to add the forever, and we'll just go to motion, and I'm adding change y by -5. Change y by -5. Okay, change was yep, I got the change my y by -5. Yeah, and now we'll change to -5. -5. Okay, now we'll go to if. We'll just go to controls and go to if. Okay, now I'm just going to just do like that. Controls if, and we need to go to operators, and we need to add this thing. Okay, this I will share it, and we'll go to motion, and we'll drag the y position. We'll just add the y position to the first block of there, and we'll set the number to -170. Now we'll go to motion again. We'll just go to motion again, and we'll again drag, go to the random position, go to random position. Yeah. Now we'll go to motion and set y2. We'll just drag it, and we'll set it to 180. Okay, only 180, not minus. Now we'll drag this block of code to that side, and we'll go to events, and again add when flag clicked. Again go to motion and go to random position. Drag the go to random position, and we'll go to motion and set y to 180. I'm again setting set y to 180. 180. Okay. Up. Our app is done. Okay, now we'll just test it. Okay, we'll just test the app if it is working or not. Okay, so I'm just testing it. I'm clicking on the go. Okay, but the apple is falling. Yep, there's the sound coming. Yep, yay. 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 I'm just catching the apples. So our app is working very good. Okay, this app is working, and thank you. Bye bye. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to see my latest videos.